Firewood not drying properly messes up your fire, making it burn all smoky and weak, and nobody wants that. Okay, so first off, you gotta stack your firewood somewhere that isn't damp or cramped. Like, if you just pile it on the ground or in a corner with no airflow, it's gonna stay wet forever. Try putting it on a raised platform or pallets so it's off the dirt and gets air from underneath. Also, cover the top with a tarp or something waterproof, but leave the sides open so it can breathe. The sun and wind are your best friends here, so pick a spot that gets a good amount of both. Don't forget to split your wood if it's still in big chunks. Smaller pieces dry way faster. And when you're ready to use the wood, pick the driest pieces first, because wet wood just won't give you the heat you need. Keep checking your wood pile every once in a while to make sure nothing's going moldy or rotting. If you do all that, your firewood should be good to go for a cozy burn. One of the biggest screw-ups with firewood drying is stacking it directly on wet ground, which traps moisture and slows drying. Fix this by using pallets or some kind of platform. Another common mistake is covering the whole pile tightly with plastic or a tarp without ventilation, causing mold and rot. Just cover the top and leave the sides open so air can flow. Lastly, using unseasoned or green wood right away leads to smoke and poor heat output. Make sure your wood has been drying for at least 6 months and is properly split before burning. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with trustworthy local contractors who get the job done right, saving you time and headaches. For contractors, it's a solid way to find steady work and build their reputation in the community.